Hi, good afternoon. It's David Stolfo here at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. You can reach us at 770-614-6968. Wanted to show you today a really nice Crest II 220 tri-tune boat that we have in stock, brand new. It's powered by the 150 Mercury outboard. Has the CPT option on this boat, which includes the aluminum underskinning, the 48-gallon tank. You have the lifting strakes. You also have the splash guards. The C-Star hydraulic steering is a nice plus, and the Junior Beast ski tow bar is very nice too. All comes as a package. Makes the boat a great all-around family ski boat, water sports boat, wakeboarding. Lots of options with this one. This one has the real neat SLRC floor plan that I'm in that area right now. It's got the split loungers in the rear with the center walkthrough. So basically, as it is here, you can have a lot of seating obviously, but then if you want to, you can set that up for rear lounging, full length. Give you a nice place to lay out. They both do that. So it may be the most versatile of the seating, giving you lots of options. So hopefully you'll like that. They're comfy too. They're nice and large and cushy and comfy. Everybody seems to like the twin counter-rotating captain's chairs, kind of letting you feel a little bit like an automobile with the captain and the first mate being very much together. I like the all fiberglass helm. It's nicely appointed with your hours meter, depth finder, your instrument cluster. You do have the Fusion stereo with the Bluetooth is integrated into that. It's satellite ready too, Sirius satellite ready. This one has the captain's cooled cup holder and the in-console storage here for your personal item. A couple other items that we've gotten on this one. It does have the premium stereo as well as the privacy curtain, or the changing station if you will. That's around here. And we have a nice in-floor locker for storage, or a ski locker if you will. So that's very, very good. The Crest really performed great with this 150 horsepower. It's the right mix of performance and fuel consumption. I think you'll have a lot of fun with this with your family and friends. So please give us a call at your convenience. We'd love to hear from you. You can reach us at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia at 770-614-6968. I'm David Stolfo. Our whole team's ready to help you, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.